Did you know that most people think you have to change your motor oil the second it turns black? Yeah, that's one of the biggest engine oil myths out there, and trust me, it's just the tip of the iceberg. From oil color to synthetic oil misconceptions, there's a ton of misinformation that's costing car owners money, performance, and even engine life. In this video, we're busting the top 10 engine oil myths stupid people fall for. So, stick around and find out if you believe any myths out of these. Let's dive in. Myth number 1. Black oil must always be changed. Alright, let's talk about one of the biggest myths out there that people totally fall for. Black oil means it's dirty and needs to be replaced immediately. Sounds legit, right? After all, you pop the hood, pull out the dipstick, and see that dark black oil staring back at you. It must be bad for your engine. But here's the truth. Dark oil doesn't always mean your oil is dirty or ineffective. Motor oil naturally darkens over time as it does its job. Here's why. When oil is exposed to high engine temperatures, it oxidizes and absorbs byproducts from combustion, causing it to change color. But that color alone isn't a reliable indicator of its condition. Think of it like coffee. It's dark, but that doesn't mean it's gone bad, right? The real question you should ask is the oil still doing its job? If the oil feels gritty or grainy when you rub it between your fingers, then yeah, it's time to change it. Otherwise, dark oil might still be lubricating, cooling, and cleaning your engine just fine. So, next time someone tells you that black oil is a sure sign it's time for an oil change, give them the facts and save yourself an unnecessary trip to the shop. Number 2. Thicker oil provides better protection. Thicker oil should cushion and coat engine parts better, providing extra wear protection. But here's the truth. It's not that simple. In fact, using oil that's too thick for your engine can actually do more harm than good, especially in modern engines. Here's why. Thicker oil flows more slowly, which means it takes longer to reach critical engine parts during startup, especially in cold weather. This delay can leave your engine vulnerable to wear and tear in the most crucial moments. Modern engines are designed with tighter tolerances and often require lower viscosity oils to flow quickly and reduce friction. Using oil that's thicker than what the manufacturer recommends can lead to reduced efficiency, lower fuel economy, and even damage to your engine over time. Yes, thicker oil can sometimes help older engines with worn-down parts, where the extra viscosity can compensate for wear. But for newer cars, stick to what the manual says. The engineers who designed your engine know what works best. So, don't fall for the thicker is better myth. It's not about being thick, it's about being right. Number 3. Synthetics cause oil leaks. This myth has been floating around for decades, and while it used to have some truth way back in the 1970s, it's completely outdated today. If you're avoiding synthetic oil because you think it's going to turn your engine into a leaky mess, here's the truth. Modern synthetic oils don't cause leaks. In fact, they're better for your engine. Back in the early days of synthetic oil, the formulas weren't as refined as they are today. They could degrade seals and gaskets, leading to leaks. But modern synthetic oils are engineered to protect seals, not harm them. They're actually designed to perform better in extreme conditions, resist sludge buildup, and extend the life of your engine. If you notice a leak after switching to synthetic, it's not because of the oil. It's likely because your engine already had a worn or damaged seal that conventional oil was masking. So don't let this myth hold you back from giving your car the superior protection of synthetic oil. If you're finding this video, then do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your fellows. Number 4. Once you go synthetic, you can't go back. Sounds dramatic, doesn't it? Like your engine is some kind of diva that'll only accept the best after getting a taste of luxury. But here's the truth. You can absolutely switch back and forth between synthetic and conventional oil without any issues. Your engine doesn't have a memory. It doesn't remember what oil was used before. What matters is that you use the right viscosity and type of oil recommended by your car's manufacturer. Synthetic and conventional oils can even be mixed, although it's generally better to stick to one type for optimal performance. The key difference between the two is that synthetic oil is engineered to perform better, especially in extreme temperatures and under heavy loads. Switching back to conventional oil might reduce some of those benefits, but it won't harm your engine. So, the next time someone tells you that switching to synthetic oil is a one-way street, let them know the truth. Your engine doesn't care, as long as you're using quality oil. Just follow the manufacturer's recommendations, and you're good to go synthetic, conventional, or somewhere in between. Number 5. You don't need to change the filter. Every oil change. Sounds like a nice way to save a few bucks, right? But here's the truth. Changing your oil without replacing the filter is like taking a shower and putting on dirty clothes. It defeats the purpose. Your oil filter's job is to trap dirt, grime, and debris that would otherwise circulate through your engine. Over time, as the filter does its job, it gets clogged and loses efficiency. If you don't replace the filter, it can't effectively trap contaminants, meaning all that fresh oil you just poured in gets dirty much faster. Worse, a clogged filter can even restrict oil flow, potentially causing damage to your engine. Most oil filters are designed to last only one oil cycle. So, skipping a filter change might seem like no big deal, but it's actually putting your engine at risk. When it comes to oil changes, the filter is just as important as the oil itself. So, don't cut corners, replace the filter every time you change the oil. Your engine will thank you, and you'll save yourself from costly repairs down the road. It's a small step that makes a big difference. Number 6. All additives are the same. Sounds simple, right? Just grab any bottle off the shelf and you're good to go. But here's the truth. Not all additives are created equal, and using the wrong one can do more harm than good. Oil additives are specially formulated to meet specific engine needs. Some are designed to enhance performance under high pressure and heavy loads, like in racing engines. Others are tailored for older, high-mileage vehicles, helping to preserve seals and prevent leaks. There are even additives that target cold starts or improve performance in extreme temperatures. The point is, these products are engineered for particular purposes, and there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Using a random additive might not only waste your money, but could also interfere with your oil's chemistry, reducing its effectiveness. If your engine already gets the right additives from your motor oil, throwing in a generic product might dilute or counteract those benefits. So, the next time someone says, "Just add this, it'll fix everything," think twice. When it comes to additives, what works for one engine might not work for yours. Stick to what your car's manufacturer recommends, and don't fall for the myth that all additives are interchangeable. Number 7. Additives improve engine power. Let's clear up another common myth. Oil additives can boost your engine's power or improve fuel efficiency. Sounds like a magical solution, doesn't it? Pour in a bottle and suddenly your car is a high-performance beast. But here's the truth. Additives help oil perform better, but they won't add horsepower or turn your engine into a race car. Oil additives are designed to enhance the properties of motor oil. They can reduce wear, prevent sludge buildup, and improve oil stability in extreme conditions. Some additives help high-mileage engines by preserving seals, while others protect against oxidation or improve performance under heavy loads. But no additive is going to physically change how much power your engine produces or directly improve your gas mileage. Think of additives as oil helpers, not miracle workers. They make the oil better at its job lubricating, cooling, and cleaning your engine. If your engine is underperforming, the issue likely isn't the lack of an additive, it's something mechanical that no bottle of oil magic can fix. So, while additives are great for maintaining your engine's health and longevity, don't fall for the myth that they'll boost your engine's power. Save your money and focus on regular maintenance, the right oil, and proper driving habits. Number 8. Motor oil doesn't expire. You've probably heard someone say, "It's just sitting in the bottle, it's fine to use, no matter how old it is." But here's the truth. Motor oil has a shelf life, and using expired oil can harm your engine. Motor oil, whether synthetic or conventional, contains additives that degrade over time. These additives are what give oil its ability to protect your engine, resist sludge, and perform under extreme conditions. Even if the bottle hasn't been opened, exposure to air, light, and fluctuating temperatures can break down its chemical composition. If the oil is old, it may lose its effectiveness, leading to poor lubrication, sludge buildup, or even engine damage. Most motor oil manufacturers recommend using their products within 5 years of the production date, but it's always smart to check the label or consult the manufacturer's guidelines. If you find an old bottle in your garage and can't confirm its age, it's better to err on the side of caution and dispose of it properly. So, while motor oil doesn't spoil like milk, it absolutely doesn't last forever. Don't fall for the myth that fresh, properly stored oil is crucial to keeping your engine running smoothly. Number 9. Synthetic oil is only for high-performance cars. It sounds like something you'd hear from someone trying to save a few bucks, but here's the truth. Synthetic oil is beneficial for all kinds of vehicles, not just high-performance sports cars. Synthetic oil is engineered to provide superior protection and performance compared to conventional oil. It handles extreme temperatures better, resists sludge buildup, and offers better lubrication under heavy loads. These benefits make it ideal, not only for high-performance engines, but also for daily drivers, SUVs, pickup trucks, and even older vehicles. If you drive in harsh conditions like extreme heat, freezing cold, or stop-and-go traffic, synthetic oil can help your engine last longer and run more efficiently. In fact, many modern cars are designed to run specifically on synthetic oil because of its ability to reduce wear and improve fuel economy. It's not about luxury, it's about performance and protection. Yes, synthetic oil is pricier than conventional oil, but the extended life, fewer oil changes, and better engine care often make it worth the investment. So, number 10. High-mileage cars don't need special oil. The logic seems simple. Oil is oil, right? But here's the truth. Using high-mileage oil in older vehicles can make a significant difference in protecting your engine and keeping it running smoothly. As cars age and rack up the miles, their engines can develop issues like oil leaks, reduced efficiency, and increased wear on seals and gaskets. High-mileage oils are specifically formulated with additives designed to address these problems. They contain seal conditioners to reduce leaks, anti-wear agents to protect aging components, and detergents to clean up sludge and deposits. These oils also have a viscosity that's optimized for older engines, helping to maintain proper lubrication even as parts wear down. If your car has over 75,000 miles, switching to high-mileage oil is a smart move. It's not just about extending the life of your oil, it's about extending the life of your engine. Ignoring this and sticking to regular oil can lead to bigger problems down the road, like leaks or costly repairs. So, don't fall for the myth that high-mileage cars can get by with regular oil. If you enjoy this video, then do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your fellows.